Hi viewers, welcome to Interesting Chemistry. Let us continue organic chemistry revision based on reagents. In the first session, we have seen Lucas reagent. In this session, we are going to see three reagents together, PX3, PCl5 and SOCl2. These three reagents we are going to see today. Here, this X may be chlorine or bromine. Here it is PCl5 and SOCl2. These all the three, it gives reaction with only two substances. One is alcohol, another one is RCOOH, acid. One is alcohol, another one is acid. So with these two reagents only, these three reagents are going to react. So one by one, let us see. First, let us take PX3. That is, it may be PCl3 or PBr3. PCl3 or PBr3. First one, ROH with alcohol. ROH plus PCl3 we will take. Any one, but we will take PCl3 here. It will be producing RCl. Alcohol with PCl3, it will be producing haloalkane plus H3PO3. Here how many chlorine? 3 chlorine. Here in only one place chlorine is there, so it should be balanced by writing 3 as coefficient. If you write 3 here, this will be also 3. Then how many oxygen, how many hydrogen? 3 oxygen, 3 hydrogen. Only one phosphorus is there. So H3PO3. Okay, H3PO3. So we have got two substances, 3RCl plus H3PO3. Same type of reaction with RCOOH also. RCOOH plus PCl3. Here hydroxyl group is replaced with Cl, nucleophilic substitution. So here also hydroxyl group is going to be replaced with Cl. Same type of reaction. So here RCOCl, acyl chloride, RCOCl plus what are there pending here? H3PO3. Here also H3PO3. Here Cl only 1 but 3 here, so we will write 3. It will R will be becoming 3, so I have written here 3. Then you can find out how it came. H3PO3, hydrogen 3, oxygen 3, phosphorus 1, so H3PO3. So PCl3, when it reacts with alcohol and acid, the additional product is same. Main product just replacing OH group by Cl. Here also OH group by Cl. Here also OH group by Cl. The additional product is same in both H3PO3. Here also H3PO3. Second reagent PCl5. PCl5. Second reagent is PCl5. This also going to react with ROH and RCOOH. Only two types of reactant it is going to react. All the three same two types of reactant. That's why I have combined together all the three. So here ROH plus PCl5, it gives RCl. As usual, this OH is going to be replaced by Cl. So RCl plus this OH, you are going to divide this OH into O and H. So that H will be added with this HCl. Then what is present? P and 3 Cl is pending. Here one O is pending. So POCl3 is the product. Okay, POCl3. I will write here POCl3. OH is replaced by Cl. Then this O and H you separate it. One hydrogen with this another Cl, HCl, then this O, this P, remaining 3 Cl, so POCl3. Mechanism, you no need to see mechanism and all here. So with ROH, PCl5 will be producing POCl3. Next, RCOOH plus PCl5 gives same type of product. This OH is going to be replaced by Cl, so RCOCl, acyl chloride, remaining same HCl plus POCl3, same type of product. OH has to be replaced by Cl. That is the first thing. The additional products are same in both. PCl3 also we have seen same product, but there H3PO3, here POCl3. Third reagent, SOCl2. Reactant same, ROH and RCOOH. One is alcohol, another one is acid. Plus SOCl2 gives OH is going to be replaced with Cl. So RCl. Then this SO, this O becoming SO2. Then hydrogen and here chlorine. One more chlorine is there. One chlorine here we have replaced. Another one chlorine is there. So HCl. So the products are RCl, SO2, HCl. These two are in gaseous state. These two are gases. So during its preparation it will be escaping. So this will be in pure form we can get in this reaction. So this reaction is the best reaction for the preparation of RCl. That question also they may ask, which is the best method to prepare RCl. This is the best method because you need to separate RCl from the other compound. Automatically it will be separated because they are in the form of gases. Next RCOOH, SOCl2, same way OH is going to be replaced with Cl or COCl, remaining same SO2 and HCl. Same type of reaction in all the three. That's why it's added together, summarized together. So RO alcohol and acid. These two is going to react with PX3, PCl5 and SOCl2. Same type of products. So easily you can recall during examination. Type of question, complete the following. Complete the following and convert the following. Complete the following: alcohol, acid with PCl3, what are the products? Alcohol plus acid with PCl5, what is the product? Alcohol and acid with SOCl2, what are the products? Question mark may be given this side also. By giving the products, they may ask reactant. Then second type of question, convert the following. Alcohol to haloalkane, already we have seen in Lucas reagent. Here we will use next one, propanoic acid to propanoyl chloride. Propanoic acid, 3 carbon with acid group. So 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon with acid group. You can use PCl3 or PCl5 or SOCl2. You will be getting propanoyl chloride. In the next video, let us see red phosphorus and halogen. The reagent red phosphorus and halogen. Thank you.